What's up, guys? Mike here. Today I got another stock for you guys that is becoming pretty much very undervalued. And let's not waste any time. That stock is none other than Rocket Company's ticker symbol RKT. Now, this stock has been on a nice decline and it is ready to go back up, man. Stock is absolutely undervalued, and I think this is a dirt cheap stock. You guys need to get in. The market has still no idea what this company truly is worth, and I think this not only can be a nice swing trade of a stock for you to get into, but also hold for long term, because I am holding this company for the long term. I have traded it several times, and I also have a position in it that I built for long term, and I do not care how low it goes, how high it goes. This company I plan to keep for a very long time. I do sell call options on it. I make easy passive income on a weekly basis on it, and I'll show you all of that in this video. I'll show you all the charts, technical analysis, where do I really see the future of this company, and especially with the interest rates this far cheap, it's gonna be a insane company to keep down the line, because once interest rates starts moving, this company is gonna be mass producing a ton of money. So anyways, let's waste no further time. This is my lucky hat. Anytime I make calls with this hat, I honestly tell you, I just make a ton of money. So just watch. In this video, we're gonna be making a ton of money on Rocket Companies. Thanks to my subscriber for getting this hat again. So with that said, make sure you guys always smash that like button, hit subscribe. It really helps out my channel. So let's begin. Yeah. All right, guys, let's check out what's going on with Rocket Company's ticker symbol RKT. Let's see where it's headed. As we can see, this stock is in a nice, pretty much consolidating state. It constantly goes from around $18, $19 all the way to around $22 to $23, and it has been doing this quite consistently and constantly, and that's what I really enjoy when a stock does this. They just go on the perfect path. They don't do anything wrong. They follow the rhythm and they trade in our box, and I love that. I love when I find a company that does that. It makes everything easy and perfect to follow. As you guys can see, it's constantly doing this, constantly building these boxes, constantly going across, and then finally constantly going right back up, moving the directions we want. And this is one of those perfect trades you want to be in, you know, because it just stays in the box. It trades perfectly, goes up and down in a nice fashion, nice rhythm, and you can pretty much predict everything it does, right? Here's our little stage 1 we formed, and then stage 2, stage 3 comes in place, then we got stage 4, then again we got stage 1 again, we got another stage 2 in place, stage 3, and then bang, stage 4, and now we are building our stage 1 once again, and finally, soon we're going to be right back into stage 2. Who knows how far this can go? I don't really care. This is a great swing trade, a great long-term play. I think anywhere around 19 to 20 is an absolute steal to get in. Don't waste too much time, because all of a sudden the stock just randomly shoots up and flies for a few days, right? So don't waste time. If you want to get into the stock and trade and swing with me, get in now. Around 1960 is dirt cheap. Anything below 1950, you should be hungry and wolfing down this like crazy, because this is an absolute steal of a company. They are going for a dirt cheap price. Just look at how easy the swings are, right? It's just quite predictable what this company is doing on the charts. It's so predictable. That's why I like it. All right, soon the MACD is about to cross over, which makes it even more bullish. And as we can see, the histogram is getting smaller and getting ready to cross over. And we got also the TSI crossing over. Once all this happens, it's just going to be very bullish. We did have a pullback on Friday. It was turning a little bit bullish, right? It started going bullish here, but then had a pullback on Friday. But I think this bullish run will come right back into play. Sometimes stock do that. They fall, right? They fall down, and then they rip it right back up, right? So I think the stock will start ripping right back up. If you guys don't want to trade on a downturn, I would wait for the 5-day 5-day chart, right? The 5-day moving average will tell you when is a good time to get in, and around the blue is a 5-day. As we can see, it pulled back. It was about to go around the 5-day and trade into the 5 days. We just need a four little squiggly lines, right? 4 tickers, 4-day chart. And once 5 days come true, it goes right back above the 5-day chart, above the full blue line. This is a perfect trade. You know, you can get into this and make some good money with the 5-day chart coming into place. I always look at my 20 days as to see where it's going to be headed. And I think this stock is a nice buy zone right now. It is definitely, you'll never be able to time the bottom, right? You can never tell where is the bottom of a stock, especially when you see a nice pullback, when you see it's going bullish and then it has a pullback. This could tell you, okay, if this trades right back into the box and goes bullish the next day, you know we're going to have a nice run coming up very, very soon. So anyways, I'm going to show you guys how you guys can do some sell some call options on this and make some money on the side while you wait for this stock to just rocket back up, right? Rocket companies isn't called rocket for nothing. It's because it rocket ships pretty quickly right back up when it's time for it to go, right? So don't waste too much time waiting for the bottom because you can never be able to time the bottom. All right, this company is doing very, very well. They're making a ton of money, billions of dollars year after year, and all they do is pretty much it's all online, right? If you want to purchase a house, you get your loan online. You want to refinance your loan, you do it online. You don't need to talk to anybody. You don't need it. That's the whole point. This is a tech-based loan mortgage company, and they're doing really, really well. And the market has still yet appreciate what this company has to offer. This is pretty much not only a bank, but it's also a tech stock. And the company is doing absolutely phenomenal, and the market has yet to appreciate what this company is about. And sometimes it takes a little time for markets to appreciate great companies like this one. If you guys want to learn how I make some side pot money with this trading and selling calls on this stock, it's super simple. I just do weekly options. I sell because I own over several hundred shares. I hold about 500 shares in my Robinhood account, another 100, 200 shares in my retirement account, and another couple hundred shares in my WeBull account. And I just constantly sell options on these. In my retirement account, because I guess Vanguard with their Roth, they don't let you sell call options or anything or buy options. But anyways, anywhere else I sell calls. And what you need to do in order to sell a call, you need 100 shares, and you are able to sell one contract. Now, how you want to get paid, how much you want to risk is all up to you. This company could just rip in a week and go up $2 to $3. You don't know, right? It could just rip all of a sudden. That's why I usually like to do a little bit out of the money. 21.5, 22.5 sounds like a good price, like a $2 pop-up for me is fine. I usually make around $10 a week per contract. This should go up very soon. Just don't think it's going to be staying around 9 cents a contract. I can see it going right back up very soon. I've flipped this several times. Don't look at that negative 1400. I've flipped it already several times and made several $1,000s back over and over again. It's just, this is something I'm holding for long term. I really do not care what my total return is, because this is actually wrong. But anyways, as you can see, I have been selling calls on a weekly basis, making nice $50, $25, $50, $80, several contracts every single week. I just keep selling, sometimes $90, sometimes $50, $60. I constantly sell call options on this. My calls never get sold because it never hits the price, and I just keep making free money on this stock. And that's how you guys can do it. I'll show you exactly what moves you can do in order to do it. You just do trade options. You do sell a call. You pick weekly option, and then all you gotta do is go for about the $2 price, right? And then you select how many you want to sell. I can sell about 5 of these in this con, and then you just say, okay, got it, and you start selling how many contracts you want to do. Excuse me. just put in the number of contracts you want, how much money. I usually put at least 10 to 20 cents, or whatever it's going. I don't want to get paid 9 cents. I want the full 10 cents. So I put it, review order, and then boom, you agree to it. And then you're selling 5 contracts for the value of $10 per contract. Thanks again for watching my video. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, feel free to add me on Instagram. I do pretty much try to post there daily. Any trades I make, buys or sells, I do try to post it on Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me there. Also, leave a comment below. Let me know what other stocks you guys would like me to do a video on, or if you have a specific question on a specific stock, leave a comment below. Let me know, and I'd be happy to answer you or make a video on it in my next video. Also, guys, right now, WeBull has a promotion where you get 4 free stocks, 1 for just signing up to use their platform, and 2 more stocks when you make additional deposit of $100 or more. WeBull will give you 4 free stocks with a minimum value of $8 all the way up to $1,600. So check out the link in the description box below. And if you guys want another free stock, check out FirstTrade. They give pretty decent stocks. And finally, Robinhood gives out really good stocks. All those links can be found in the description box below. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.